Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use remote start on your Infiniti QX60. First, ensure your vehicle is locked and all doors are closed. The remote start feature works best within a range of about 100 feet. This convenient function allows you to warm up or cool down your car before you even step inside, making your daily commute much more comfortable. Let's get started with the simple steps. Before attempting to remote start, a few quick checks are essential. Make sure all your vehicle's doors, the hood, and the trunk are securely closed. The gear selector must be in the park position for safety. Also, confirm your Infiniti QX60 has enough fuel and a healthy battery. These steps prevent the system from failing and ensure a smooth start every time. Now let's activate the remote start. First, press the lock button on your key fob once. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button for at least 2 seconds. You'll see the parking lights flash, indicating the command was received. The engine will then start and run for a preset duration, typically 10 minutes before automatically shutting off. Once your Infiniti QX60 is running, you can enter the vehicle. Simply unlock the doors using your key fob or the intelligent key system. Once inside, press the brake pedal. This action will allow you to shift the gear selector out of park and begin your drive. Enjoy the comfort of a preconditioned cabin, ready for your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.